using a Python output in JavaScript. We want to send a Boolean value from Python to JavaScript so we can use it in our HTML website. We tried using sockets, but that's too complicated for us. Our next thought was to use an API, and we know how to get information from an API using JavaScript. What we want to do is post a Python Boolean value to an API, and then get the Boolean value from the API using JavaScript. But we don't know how to do so. We are using a Raspberry Pi for all our code and a hardware button which returns true in Python when pressed. We are currently testing code we found from this URL. But this code doesn't work for us. We are also using PyCharm as our workspace. Is this a problem? Our current code in JavaScript. Our Python code we're using for testing.
JavaScript within a web page cannot directly run a Python script on your computer or read information from a local terminal. What you could do is have your Python program output a small JSON file to your localhost folder, which is overwritten when the button is pressed or released, like this. Then in your JavaScript, set an interval to periodically call a function that gets this JSON file and does something based on the value if it has changed. There may be some lag as your local server updates the file.
You can try to set up a SQL database. Write a SQL statement in Python to receive your Boolean. After that, make a PHP script on your web server to receive the SQL data. Then send a request to the URL of the PHP script using an XHTTP JavaScript request.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.